So you might know that Samsung is just about to release their new upcoming Galaxy S series, and it got to the point that Samsung Galaxy S21 rumors have been picking up the steam for a while now. But what do we know so far about the new Galaxy S series? Here are 5 of them. Oh, before we start this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that would be massively appreciated. According to the leaks, the new Galaxy S lineup might look the same as the previous Galaxy S series. It has the same tiny punch hole display, it also has a vertical camera that stacks up like the Note series, and the display also looks like it's flat instead of curved, which I prefer. Samsung has been working on a full screen phone for well over a year, and many people hope that the S21 series would implement that, but that may be harder than it seems and need more years of development until we can expect a full screen phone. Now coming to the cameras, this is where Samsung is really impressing, especially with their Galaxy S series. The previous Galaxy S series introduced 8K and 100x zoom, but what can we expect from Samsung this year? The Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus might have the triple camera setup with a 12 megapixel ultra wide, a 12 megapixel main sensor and a 64 megapixel telephoto lens. But the highest end Galaxy S21 Ultra will pack a second generation of the 108 megapixel sensor found in the S21 Ultra and Note 20 Ultra, with a new 3x optical telephoto sensor and a 10x optical super telephoto sensor, and this new upgrade will lead to a better zoom quality. There has been a lot of controversies whether Samsung will use their own Exynos chipset, but if Samsung follow the past practices, it will use 2 different chipsets to power the Galaxy S21. The latest Snapdragon 8 series for phones released in the US and one of its own Exynos processors for models that ship in the rest of the world. The new Snapdragon 880 processor is set to deliver 25% boost in overall CPU performance, along with 25% better power efficiency, which I'm really looking forward to. But let's put that to a perspective. A Galaxy S21 Plus benchmark leak show it's delivering a single core score of 1120 and multi-core result of 3319. That's a big disappointment compared to the previous S20 Ultra. I was expecting a more powerful chipset and getting closer to Apple's A14 Bionic chipset, but there are a few caveats to bear in mind here. It's still early days for the Snapdragon 880, and that means more optimization could be done. Furthermore, Samsung could do more on the software and cooling side of its Galaxy S21 to push the chip even further. All these specs for what price, you may be asking, and I think that the prices will start in the same range as before, which means that we would be looking for a price point about $999 for the S21 and increase from there. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.